This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the Hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm at apartment 1410, an alcove studio, looking west over the pool deck toward where you can have a great view of the sunset. Turning into a wide, open plan, living, dining, kitchen area. High ceilings, plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Looking at the first of the three closets you're going to see. Unusual amount of storage space for a studio. Looking at an L-shaped kitchen. Turning back toward a wide wall of windows. You have a nice sill to set your plants on. Soak up some of that western sun. Quartz counters, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Track lighting up above. It's a tile backsplash. Built-in microwave and dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, and a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Good cabinet and counter space for a studio. Heading into the bath, we have an oversized bath, marble veined tile on the floor, a wide vanity with mirror, and the tub shower combination has a body spray attachment. Heading back, looking at the entryway. Off to my right, second of the three closets. Just beyond that, it's a walk-in closet. And directly opposite that, you have your in-unit washer-dryer. Studio's as large as many of the one-bedrooms you're going to find in the neighborhood. It's a very attractive layout. Arkadia has a very convenient location, terrific suite of amenities. Definitely merits a spot high on your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.